Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to insert unities in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. Now I added the unities in incorrect way. For example, I want to find sum. Just select it and auto sum. You see it makes problem, escape. Or when you use formula, sum, again it gives error. To fix this, just delete and select these cells. From home, we have find and replace. Replace, just kg. Here you can write the unit kg, just space. Find all, replace all. Okay. Good. Now again, select the range, right click, format cells, select custom. Here we have general, double quotation, write the unit kg, double quotation. Okay. Directly the unit added. Now you can use the formula equal sign sum. Select the data, just enter. Directly it sums the data. Here again we have the error. Equal sign in example 2, sum, enter, it gives 0. Let's fix example 2 also. Okay, select the data, find and replace, this time kn, give space, 1 or 2 space, find all, then replace all. Okay, close. Now select the range, right click, format cells, select custom, general, double quotation. The unit is kilonewton, kn, double quotation. Okay. Now select it and auto sum. Directly it calculates the sum and adds the unit. That's all. Have a nice time.